Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Quant video update. Now this is gonna be a quick one, and so yesterday we talked about not losing the 169, and so far it seems like the sell-off has began. You really haven't necessarily taken out 169, but it seems like Quant has all the signs of trying to move lower at the moment. So on the daily, it's actually overbought on the RSI. If you look at the RSI, we're really overbought at the moment for Quant. Now if I dive into the 4-hour time frame at the moment right there, then you're looking for Quant. Yesterday was looking good, and yesterday you did make some amazing, you try to at least make an amazing candle right over there, but it seems like you're gonna fail this time because it doesn't look good anymore. If you look at the EMA, it's a simple EMA trading on the 4-hour time frame. You have now for the first time closed below the 55 EMA, and that's just a bearish cross. It's a simple bearish cross that we're about to get here, and it seems like it's finally time to drop to that zone that I told you before. So ever since 23 September, you haven't made you made a bull cross down there, and you just moved up like this, kept an uptrend, and now this is where you're about to make the cross, and it's time to retrace down. Okay, so you go up impulsively, you come down correctively, and that's pretty much it for this Quant update. Just a very simple one. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.